Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove backgrounds like a pro, just like remove.bg in Photoshop, to say goodbye to complex background and hello to the clean professional looking images. Background removal is an essential skill for any designer or a photographer, and with Photoshop, you have the power to create precise and flawless selection to separate your subject from its surrounding. If you have seen my previous video, I have removed the background of this image by using the remove.bg. If you haven't already, make sure to check that out. To remove the background of this image, first I'm going to take a copy of this. Now by hiding this layer and selecting this, I'll go to the select and then select subject. Now our subject, that is car, is now selected. You have to make some minor adjustments to here. For that, we will use the pen tool and make selection. Here, right click on it, click on make selection, and then select add to selection. Now this is all right. And after that, just click on this mask. And there you have it. Now you see you have removed the background of this. Now let's move on to the second picture. We have removed this part by using the remove.bg. But for now, let's use the Photoshop for the exact same purpose. For that, I'm going to take a copy of this and then hide this layer, and by selecting this, go to the select and then subject. Now we have selected the subject, it's time to add the mask. Now once mask is added, select this brush tool, increase its size and make sure your black color is selected, and then paint it over here. Make sure the smoothing and the flow is about 100%, so nothing is left. And let's make some adjustment to it. And there you have it. Now you see we have removed the background of this image. Now you can place this image on top of this one. And just like that, hit OK and you're done. Adobe Photoshop empowers you to create flawless background removals, providing you the endless possibilities for your designs and compositions. With its advanced feature and precise control, you can achieve results that rival the performance of remove.bg. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.